You just got done having your foundation repaired, and now you're sitting back and the worry's setting in. Will I have to end up redoing all this foundation work again? No one wants to pay for foundation repairs twice, or still have a problem on their hands whenever the repairs are done or down the road. The big question probably looming in the back of your mind, causing all this worry and stress, is am I going to have to redo this expensive work all over again? And what should homeowners expect over time? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. We've been in the Brazos Valley area for the last 40 years, and we've seen long-term stability happen with some homes and certain repairs. We've also seen it, depending on what repair style you had done on your home, that things can happen again over time or can resurface rather quickly as well. The key is knowing exactly what you invested in and how it holds up over time, and what parts of your home are covered whenever the repair was done. Here's what you should know. Foundation repair is designed to stabilize your home long term. It is not a temporary fix. It's not designed to be temporary at all. Foundation repair in the long run is supposed to be, and we would hope, a one-time deal that you have to do. That said, only the specific areas where repairs were done are covered. If we only did work on a corner of your home's foundation, that does not mean that it's going to be covered throughout the entirety of the home's foundation. It's only going to be in that specific area. Of course, if we worked on the whole foundation, then that will be covered. But a lot of times we're only working on a corner or a side, and it's not normally the whole home. For our drilled bell-bottom piers that we install here at Anchor, we've calculated the numbers. Over our 40 years of business, we've only had to return to about 5% of the jobs that we've ever done. So that means 95% of the time, we don't have to end up returning to do some sort of adjustment. Of course, a little bit of movement can be normal even after having foundation repairs done. We live on expansive clay soils. The stuff's gonna move. It's almost impossible to fully arrest it and get it 100% under control. Welcome to the Brazos Valley. Of course, if you didn't use Anchor Foundation Repair, there are a bunch of other contractors out there, but it's very important to understand your warranty terms and that you pick a contractor that's got a solid track record. It makes all the difference whenever it comes to potential long-term adjustments down the road. So before you jump onto any foundation repair contractor's roster to do work on your home, here's some questions you should really be asking them before the work is done, or if you've already had the work done, questions that can help better understand your situation and understand your warranty terms. Number one, what areas are covered? Number two, what's the warranty period? A lot of times they're different. For example, ours is first 5 years free, then after that it goes to a service agreement charge that can fluctuate with inflation over time. Number three, how often does warranty work come up? A confident and reliable contractor is going to be transparent with their answer and not try to shy away from it. They're going to be straight up and answer what the warranty looks like and how often they've had to return and do warranty work. If you really want to take a deep dive on how foundation repair warranties really work and how to protect yourself with any foundation repair contractor out there, we're going to put a link down below in the description that is all about foundation repair and if it's permanent or not, and whether or not your house will settle again.